And welcome to a new episode how to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Today I would like to learn you about adjacent siblings in CSS selector with example. We'll discuss about plus selector in CSS. This plus is an adjacent selector who select the immediate element after another element, but the condition is to be siblings, not inside this element. Okay, for example, for exemplification, I have here my HTML. I have a div with a class container. This is my div, and after this div I have also two paragraphs. This is main div, this is a div with class container, and also I have here two paragraph. Okay, and I want to put a style for this element for first paragraph after my div with class container, and for this I will use a dot container because I want to select the element with class container. Okay, and I put background color green. I want to put background color green for my element with class container, now for this element. I think my internet doesn't work very well. Okay, and this is my div with class container. Paragraph inside a div with class container. For this paragraph I will change the background color in green because I put to the element with class container I put background color green, but I would like to change the style for this element, for the element who come firstly after this element with class container. Now this in my case this element. Okay, for this should to have another approach. Should to select this element with class container, and after should to add this plus and element who come after okay, paragraph inside the div with class container. Okay, and I want now to put a style for this element, and I will use dot container because I want to take the element that come from element with dot container, the brothers, but first sibling dot container. I want to take first brother of container who is paragraph, and I put container class plus p. For adjacent sibling you use this plus. and I put color red. Let's see what happened. Probably this element will be red. Yes, this element is will be red because come immediately after element with class container. But if I put here in container I put another div with id div example, and also a paragraph. This paragraph comes immediately after id, after element with id div example, and will be blue. I will my goal is to select this paragraph, and I would like to change the color in blue. Let me to run again. Paragraph after div example also have background color green because is container, no, is inside this container. All elements that are inside this container, this and this, will be in red background color, but for this I would like to put white color, and I will do like in this example. I will select id example, and I want to take the first element who come after div id example, add adjacent selector plus paragraph. I would like to put the hand for on the first paragraph after element who has div example id, no, in my case this. And I will put color blue. And do you see here I have color blue. Okay, let me to show you again. I have here a div with class container, class container will be affected. this is my div with class container, have background color green, okay, and here I select first paragraph, this, who come after element with id div example. This is element with div example, is inside container, but it doesn't matter because I write explicit to give to the browser to give me the element after element paragraph after element with div example. This paragraph is brother for this div, no, is sibling, is not inside the div, is sibling, is in the first, is the first sibling of this element with id example, and is with color blue. The element first sibling after element with div example is in blue, correct? And here first sibling that are paragraph after container is red, and this is because here my div with class container is finished, and first is this paragraph. I write here blue but is color red. That was all for today. This adjacent sibling selector is an selector who help you to select the first element, first sibling element. That was all for today. I hope you understand. All the best.